Alright guys, today we have another fun project on our hands. This is a set of motorcycle rims from a project bike I'm currently working on. They have been painted a color that doesn't match the body of my bike, so today with the help of the DB500GT as well as some other accessories, we're going to get these back down to bare metal. So staying safe on the job is super important, which is why I'm going to be using the Nova 3 comfort suit that lets me stay nice and cool or warm depending on where you are, as well as supplying me some fresh air. Let's get to it. This all-in-one mobile business comes with our most popular blast pot and a 185 CFM compressor to power it. The DB500 gives you approximately 1 hour of blasting before needing a refill, which is perfect for this job. If you're ever in a situation where you need to dry blast, the under-mounted air drying and cooling system helps to keep the air produced by the compressor clean, cool, and moisture-free. But today, I'm going dustless. Every bit of this blasting equipment comes on top of the Isuzu NPR, an industry standard for work trucks. You're able to jump right in and head to the job without having to hook up a trailer. As you can see, the dustless blasting system made short work of the old flaking paint. So now these rims are ready for some primer and a new color. All the equipment used in this video, including the XL Performance nozzle and the whip line, can be purchased in the online store. And if you want to learn more about the dustless blasting process or how you can purchase an all-in-one mobile business, check out dustlessblasting.com.